Hello YouTube, this is OJ Cubing, and in today's video we're going to be trying to solve all 10 of these Rubik's Cubes blindfolded. Yes! I think I got them all. Woo! Oh, I switched tabs. 52 minutes, 27 seconds. 10 out of 10, guys! Wow. That's quite something. I'm very happy with that, yes. Hopefully I'll be able to do 10 at Worlds. 10 would be really nice. I get 3 attempts, so yeah, I reckon 10's probably quite possible. And obviously I'm going to try out doing probably 11, maybe 12 before Worlds, because if I get 10 on my first attempt, 10 out of 10, then I'm not exactly going to try 10 again on my second attempt, am I? I'm going to go for 11, and then if I get that right, I have to go for 12, so I'll try practicing that, and yeah, that's probably in this video here. I'll probably update you guys when I do 15. I seem to be doing 5 cube update sort of thing. So yeah, that's it for me, and have a nice day, guys. Bye.